Grant was greatly disturbed by the prospect of the war, yet showed remarkable calm and bravery in action. During a battle, the standing officer had requested an ammunition run to station troops. In motions of thought, Grant heard the call for a volunteer and took up the post. The standing officer at first informed Grant that, as a quartermaster, he need not engage himself in such affairs. But Grant insisted his charge and took to the reins. This rather famously led to Grant riding on his horse sideways into the line of fire, maintaining an eerily calm disposition and fulfilling the objective.